Most physicians think estate planning is something you deal with later in life, but the truth is early estate planning is important much sooner than most doctors expect. As your income increases, assets accumulate, and families grow, you're building something that needs protection. Estate planning isn't just about taxes or what happens decades from now. It's about control, continuity, and protecting what you're building from something unexpected. Many physicians ask, why does estate planning matter early in a career? Because once your financial life becomes more complex, whether through higher income, greater assets, or children, decisions need to be documented. Without the proper estate planning documents, families may need court approval just to make routine financial decisions. Early planning ensures that someone you trust can make financial decisions through a durable power of attorney and medical decisions through a healthcare proxy or similar document in your state if you're unable to. It also allows you to create guardianship designations for minor children, something that every physician parent should have in place. Early estate planning is really about creating a foundation that evolves as your career and wealth grow. One of the most common estate planning mistakes doctors make is actually not in their wills. It's in beneficiary designations. Retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and many other financial assets transfer directly to the named beneficiary. That means a will cannot override incorrect beneficiary forms. This is why beneficiary coordination is so critical. Every doctor should periodically review primary and contingent beneficiaries, whether those designations align with any trust structures they've set up, updates after major events like divorce, remarriage, marriage in the first place, birth of a child, and how inherited retirement accounts are taxed and distributed. Learning how to coordinate beneficiary designations is one of the simplest steps one can take to prevent major problems later. Another common question is when to set up a will and trust. For most physicians, the answer is earlier than expected. A will is the core document that determines how assets are distributed and allows you to name guardian children. Without one, state law determines who receives your assets and who will raise your kids. Many physicians also establish a revocable trust, which can help with probate planning, streamline asset transfers, and provide privacy. Many advanced planning may involve an irrevocable trust, which can be used for asset protection or estate tax strategies. The right approach depends on your family structure, asset complexity, and your long-term goals. Estate planning for healthcare professionals isn't static. Your plan should evolve as your career grows, your family changes, and your assets expand. Comprehensive estate and beneficiary coordination ensures that what you're building is protected and eventually transferred according to your intentions. For physicians building long-term wealth, estate planning works when it's integrated with the rest of your financial strategy.